गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। बेसिकली विजडम ट्री आप लोगों के समक्ष आज एक नई अप्रोच लेकर के आया है कि दोज हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूपीएससी और बीपीएससी, फर्स्टली यू ब्रिंग द पॉजिटिव थॉट्स, बिकॉज जब तक आपके अंदर सकारात्मक सोच नहीं होगा, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, your work will not have weight, and to gain that weight you need the inner inspiration. You have to discover your diamond in itself. So what you have to do here is you have to bring up the positive motivation inside you from what Indians have contributed, the IS officers have contributed to make this nation a great nation. And for this, you have to know. Otherwise, you know very well that nowadays the corruption has become a new norm of Indian administrative and at the same time bureaucratic systems, which is playing a role like a cancer in the administrative system. And in that situation, you people have to come up with a new Joes. So I will try to discuss it. It is in my mind that I will bring in every week the works of officers and Indian citizens which have shaped India to the new heights. So in this discussion, I will say that firstly you bring the charm in yourself to study about some of the greatest IAS officers from our nation, जैसे कि अनीता कौल हो गई, उमा महादेवन दास गुप्ता हो गई जो अभी कर्नाटका की सेक्रेटरी हैं। उसके बाद आपको टी.एन. शेषन हो गए। इन लोगों के बारे में आप लोगों को पढ़ना चाहिए, जानना चाहिए कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कैलिबर दे वर हैविंग एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सनालिटी विथ ऑनेस्टी दे वर हैविंग, द ब्यूटी, ब्रेन, ऑनेस्टी एंड एट द सेम टाइम द करेज टू ब्रिंग द चेंज इन द सोसाइटी वाज इमेंस। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप लोगों को ये चीज़ लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। एंड दोज हु आर गर्ल्स, आई विल से दैट काइंडली refer to the works done by the great ladies of this nation so that you can understand their importance well, because recently in ongoing Olympic game you could well notice the achievements of Indian women on global panorama, and you should feel pride. So in this discussion we are going to discuss about one of the greatest and one of the brilliant IAS officer from South India who have contributed a lot in formation of Indian nation, and the name is K. Subramaniam. I will say that you should know that civil services is not only a job. If you are going only for the concern that you will make yourself an individual with different heights and stature in the society, I will say you should leave this job. You should not go for, because in today's capital market you will earn better than what this IAS officer is earning and what T.N. Sesson, K. Subramaniam or M.S. Swaminathan has earned. So making still a difference from all these sections, I will say that you should know about these people. And today we are going to discuss about the same height and stature, which I find so much of correlation between K. Subramaniam and M.S. Swaminathan. And the thing is, the way M.S. Swaminathan had shaped his family as one of the strongest family of this nation, in the same way K. Subramaniam shaped his family as one of the strongest family and middle class family for Indian citizens. And I will say to all the aspirants, please, be it boys or be it girls, take the inspiration from such great personalities, K. Subramaniam or T.N. Sesson or M. Swaminathan. So let's start with this brilliant officer's contribution for Indian strategic development and at the same time defense strategic analysis. So let's start. His name was K. Subramaniam. Actually, I was saying that there is correlation between M.S. Swaminathan and K. Subramaniam, and that correlation is the way M.S. Swaminathan was accepted his family, that all his three daughters were once best skilled personalities, and at the same time they were having a very high enthusiasm to contribute in the nation building. In the same way, K. Subramaniam himself was an IAS officer, and his all three sons were wonderful for this Indian nation contribution. One is S. Jayasankar, who is external minister right at the moment, and his another son was an IAS officer, and one more son was a great historian. So just think what kind of contribution they have done. And his contribution in especially IDSA, Indian Defense Strategic Alliance, is analysis is immense. You cannot even imagine that what kind of contribution he has given to Indian administrative system. So let's start. A brilliant IAS officer and a strategic thinker, K. Subramaniam played a key role in shaping Indian defense and security policies for almost half a century. And this person, I will say, this person shaped the strategic डिफेंस स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ इंडिया. और ये चीज़ मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग, बी इट मेल और बी इट फीमेल, you should have this kind of josh. You should have this kind of immense enthusiasm in yourself to contribute in the nation development, ignoring all those prestige, pay, pug and passions. Your passion should always be to serve the humanity and the nation. So what he says, just think, knowledge not weapon will be the currency of power in this century. So this person tried a lot to make this society, Indian society, as knowledge society. And I will say that you people should become informed. You should contribute to make this India as information society a step ahead, because what he has given to move forward. So let's read about him, that what it has been written. Sometimes in the late 1960s, during a seminar at London Institute of Strategic Studies, a young visiting scholar from India stands up and gives the British Secretary of War a lengthy discourse on West hypocrisy and atrocities from Hiroshima to Vietnam. The resulting uproar ensures that he is not invited back. What this means, the courage to stand up and tell the truth. This kind of courage you should have before going to this Indian Administrative Service, or be it Civil Services or Bihar State Public Service Commission. Because until and unless if you will not be having such kind of enthusiasm and at the same time the courage, you will not sustain in the market of administration. Because you know well the corruption and political and bureaucratic nexus with this big capitalists. So let's move ahead. You would have well understood that what he is pointing about. He has totally, in the very first seminar, the way he said about the hypocrisy and aristocracy, atrocities of the West at that time thought that who is this? और उनके इस सोच को आप सोचिए कि 1960s में इंडिया का एक स्कॉलर ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म पर इस तरीके से बात किया, अपने मत को रखा इन दैट टाइम, जब आपके लोग आज भी काउंटर नहीं करना चाहते वेस्टर्न थॉट्स को, वो उसके साथ बह जाते हैं. आप सोचिए कितने बड़े टाइप का करेज होगा. यही चीज़ मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूँ कि यू शुड हायर द नॉलेज फॉर एक्शन, नॉट फॉर जस्ट कीपिंग इट इन योर माइंड एंड डिस्कसिंग इन टॉक्स. You should keep this for to make India great. Now let's move in the second paragraph. Nearly 2 decades later, in 1984, American political scientist Professor Kenneth Walsh visited the Institute Indian Defense and Analysis, ये IDSA दिल्ली में है, to give a talk supporting to India's right to nuclear program. His host is same young man from London, the one who was not invited back and who was now the director of ideation. There were just 2 of the many memorable anecdotes about K. Subramaniam, a journalist a civil servant, and the man widely remembered as India's foremost thinker in strategic policy, Subbo, died at the age of 82 on 2nd February 2011 in New Delhi. Now, coming to the next. Here is a tribute of brilliant IAS officer who played a key role in shaping India's defenses and security policies for almost half a century. आप इस चेहरे को देखिए, ये भारत की शान है, ये भारत की आन बान शान है। ऐसे IAS ऑफिसर्स को आपको जानना है और ऐसे IAS ऑफिसर को अपना इंस्पिरेशन बनाना है कि यस, व्हाट दे हैव गिवन टू conserve, sustain and to implement. Now coming to the next. Hailing from Tamil Nadu, Kumar Swamy Subramaniam grew up in Tiruchirappalli and Madras. After completing his schooling, he pursued BSc and MSc in chemistry from University of Madras. In 1951, he appeared in Indian Civil Services examination and secured first rank and was appointed as IAS. He went on to hold several sensitive positions in central government, including chairman of Joint Intelligence Committee, the Secretary of Defence Production, and the convener of National Security Advisory Board. He also served as the Home Secretary of Tamil Nadu during years of emergency, at a time when many bureaucrats in the country became willing accomplices to the suspension of civil liberties. The upright administrator used his power to shield those being targeted. After 15 years of stellar services, he was appointed a Rockefeller Fellow in Strategic Studies at the London School of Economics in 1966. This was a great achievement to learn things. But remember one thing, by learning this, he did not contribute to their countries, but he contributed to our nation. In the same way, जिस तरीके से मैंने आपको तभी कहा था, MS Swaminathan learned from those registered nations, but at the same time he used his knowledge, his action in India to support India, to make India a great nation. Now, his rise to prominence, however, would be as the man who built India's first and foremost defense policy think tank, the Institute of Defense Studies and Analysis. ये सोचिए, ये थिंक टैंक इन्होंने क्रिएट किया, ये बहुत महान ग्रेट वर्क था इंडिया के लिए. आगे हम लोग मूव करते हैं, क्योंकि आप IDSA की कंट्रीब्यूशन जानेंगे अभी, तब आपको पता चलेगा कि हाउ ही शेप्ड दीज थिंग्स. Appointed as director of newly created IDSA in 1966, he held the post till 1975 and again from 1980 to 89. Subramaniam helped the institute to emerge as India's premier think tank. During this period, Subramaniam worked closely with not just everyone from India's Prime Minister, beginning with Jawaharlal Nehru. He also worked with Homi Bhabha, Raja Ramanna, Vikram Sarabhai, and all the pioneers of India's nuclear and missile programs. सोचिए, इसलिए मैं आप लोग को बोलता हूँ कि आप अंडरस्टैंड कीजिए, नॉलेज, एक्शन ओरिएंटेड नॉलेज रखिए. ह्यूमैनिटीज़ की बहुत ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल है. आप ह्यूमैनिटीज़ को अपने लाइफ स्किल्स में लाइए. Straight to the fields of administration, academic research and defense policy with an unparalleled felicity. He also played a pivotal role in designing India's nuclear program and strategic policy. किस चीज़ में? आप सोचिए, the contribution on nuclear program and strategic policy, इनका contribution. उसके बाद हम लोग आगे मूव करते हैं. He chaired several committees and commissions of inquiry set up by government, including one of the Indo-Pak War in 1971 incident. He also chaired a task force on global strategic developments that later provided the strategic framework for the India-US Civil Nuclear Energy Cooperation Agreement. A thinker, a researcher, and a true visionary, Subramaniam also brought experts from the different disciplines and different professional backgrounds into the folds of Indian strategic policy community. Further, he sought a wider constituency of views through a sustained media presence. आप ये देख सकते हैं इंडिया का जो इन्होंने ग्लोरी लिखने का कोशिश किए हैं इन्होंने. जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा था, वो इस बात को कि द सेम ईयर सुब्रमण्यम declined the honor of Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian honor, stating that bureaucrats and journalists should not accept government awards. सोचिए, एक गवर्नमेंट के लिए काम करते थे, गवर्नमेंट इनको इन रिटर्न मनी देता था, फैसिलिटी देता था, और इनकी क्या सोच थी। इन्होंने कभी इज्जत शोहरत और वो उस टाइप के जो मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ें थी उसके पीछे नहीं भागे। और कंट्रीब्यूशन आपके सामने है कि किस टाइप का कंट्रीब्यूशन इन्होंने दिया। इंटरेस्टिंगली, सुब्रमण्यम वाज on the editorial board of Times of India when India conducted Shakti nuclear test in 1998, and the newspaper famously withheld his comments temporarily while it condemned the women's weapons test. तो मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि आप ज़रूर इनके बारे में पढ़िए ताकि आपके अंदर ये चीज़ें डेवलप हो कि एक IAS ऑफिसर ऐसा काम कर सकता है, तो हम क्यों नहीं। ये आपको तभी होगा जब आप इस प्रोसेस में उतरेंगे। इफ़ योर प्रोसेस विल नॉट बी करेक्ट, जैसे गांधी जी कहा करते थे कि अगर मीन्स सही नहीं है तो रिजल्ट भी सही नहीं आएगा। इसलिए आपको थिंकिंग पैटर्न फॉर सर्विस रखना है, देन ओनली यू कैन कंट्रीब्यूट। अदरवाइज आई कैन गारंटी यू एंड आई कैन से यू डायरेक्टली दैट यू कैन अर्न बेटर मनी आउटसाइड दिस सिस्टम रैदर क्वाइट डू करप्शन। आप अगर इतना क्वालिफाई करने के लायक हैं तो बाहर में ज़्यादा पैसे कमा सकते हैं इंडियन सिविल सर्विसेज से, वो भी आपको डर डर के रहना पड़ेगा। तो आप ऐसा करने का कोशिश करें। A strong advocate of electoral and political reform, he would also often argue that the values enshrined in the Indian Constitution, secularism, pluralism, democracy and quasi-federalism were imperative to hold India together. तो सोचिए किस टाइप की इनकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी, मतलब व्हाट ए ग्रेट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ही वाज हैविंग। तो ये ऑल स्फीयर में आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैसे डेवलप होगी जब इन लोगों को कुछ जानिएगा कि कौन वो लोग थे जिन्होंने इस तरीके से कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया आपके पास में। अगर आपके प्रिपरेशन के दौरान में वैसे लोग नहीं मिलेंगे जिससे आप मोटिवेट हो सके, जिनको जान सके कि व्हाट ए बिग कंट्रीब्यूशन दे वर हैविंग, हाउ कुड यू वॉक इन दैट डायरेक्शन। क्योंकि आज आपको देख रहा होगा कि आप जिधर भी देखते हैं आपको बहुत सारे सोशल चेंजेस देखने को मिल रहा है, बट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ दिस पर्सनालिटीज़ वॉक, ये सोच करके आपको मतलब खुशी होगा कि इंडिया ने क्या मतलब पर्सनालिटी पैदा किया है। इन 2011 सुब्रमण्यम डाइड इन न्यू दिल्ली आफ्टर द courageous battle against cancer despite maintaining the highest tradition of bureaucracy throughout his distinguished career. K. Subramaniam remained a little known figure for most Indians. It's time to acknowledge many contributions of the brilliant man whose pragmatic recommendations had a direct bearing on some India's important national security and decision the last half century. ये इनको बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं, इनकी कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा है। इसलिए मेरे दिमाग में ये बात आया था कि क्यों ना जितने भी लोग आप सिविल सर्विसेज की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, आप पहले उन लोगों को जानिए जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया है। By concluding my words, I will say only one thing. Dear friends, sisters and brothers, kindly make your men so much strong, and at the same time you should have a very, very courageous personality to sustain in this administrative services. So kindly read about all those IAS officers or even the personalities who have contributed with so much transparency. A few days back I was talking about Aruna Roy, और मैंने आप लोगों को बताया कि उन्होंने किस तरीके से IAS नौकरी त्याग कर कितना बड़ा काम किया। आप समझ सकते हैं RTI, MKSS और जो अभी वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की चीज़ें हैं, आप सोच के सरप्राइज़ कर जाएंगे कि एक इंडिविजुअल की इतना बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन। डेफिनेटली देयर वाज सपोर्ट ऑफ अदर्स ऑल्सो। इसलिए आप अपने लाइक माइंडेड दोस्त बनाइए और इंडिया को रीसेट कीजिए, आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है। और काइंडली यू रीड अबाउट ऑल दोस IAS ऑफिसर्स जिन्होंने रियली बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, बिकॉज जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया उन्हें कोई नहीं जानता। रील्स वालों को बहुत लोग जानते हैं। यू वुड नॉट हैव हर्ड अबाउट के सुब्रमण्यम, अरुणा रॉय, TN सेशन, MS स्वामीनाथन, मीना स्वामीनाथन, इनके बारे में बहुत कम सुनने को मिलता है। अनीता कौल, उमा महादेवन दासगुप्ता, तो आप इन लोगों के बारे में जानिए। मैं तो इतना बता रहा हूँ आपको कि उमा महादेवन दास गुप्ता इतनी मतलब कि डाउन टू अर्थ हैं कि इवन इफ़ यू विल कॉल, वो आपसे बात कर लेंगी। मतलब इतना डाउन टू अर्थ, आई हैव नेवर सीन सच काइंड ऑफ ब्रिलियंट IAS ऑफिसर्स, बिकॉज आई हैव पर्सनली टॉक टू हर रिगार्डिंग द primary school education system, and I asked to her that could you contribute in the educational development of Bihar, because the primary education system of Bihar is very much pathetic. And she was very much positive, but at the same time we both were not having that much time at the time, so we could not discuss more. But I will say that please read and try to inculcate a good behavior in yourself, be confident, and definitely your hard work will pay a day, because labor never goes in vain. And thank you for watching this. One special request from you all, that kindly subscribe the channel so that you can get the motivated videos, and at the same time the important notices regarding civil services examinations, be it of a state and central level. Thank you.